Hey guys, Brad and Aaron here from 5 to Go, coming at you with another full-time rig tour.
From one of our Roadrunners.
Yep, we are on our summer caravan. We are hanging out with Roadrunners, and we're showing you guys as many of their rigs as they will let us show you.
We know you guys like that.
Yes, and we like it too. We love seeing other people's full-time setups, and part-time too, but we have a lot of full-timers with us this summer. And this one is especially interesting, if you ask me.
Why?
Because our first RV, oh, that cloud is lovely. Let's talk faster. Our first RV was a Grand Design Reflection 312 BHTS. And these guys, Matt and Melanie, they were looking for our rig because they saw our videos like many of you guys have.
Yep.
And they couldn't find one. They just were not available when they needed to buy it. And, you know, it was the whole house sold, needed to get the rig. So we hear that story a lot. So they were able to find the Jayco version of the 312 BHTS. And for Jayco, it is a
312.
It's an Eagle 312
BHOK.
BHOK. All right, so we're going to take you on a full tour of the inside. But real quick, before we go in, and as the sun is blasting us once again, I wanted to talk about we're going to point out a lot of things that are similar and a lot of things that are different.
Yep.
And a couple things I wanted to point out outside super quick is you can get auto leveling on these. And that was not an option on the Reflections. And I think Matt said it was a $2,000 option. I would say that's worth every penny.
Yep.
Like that is a great feature to have. The other option that they have is solid steps. I don't know if Grand Design's doing solid steps now, but you can always add them aftermarket. Leveling is a whole other ball of wax, but solid steps, very nice. So let's go use those solid steps and get out of the sun.
Let's do it.
Hi. Hello.
This is Melanie.
Hi.
Help, the sun is burning and the cicadas are loud. And there's Matt.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi guys, let me scoot around here and Aaron can introduce you guys.
I just did. This is Melanie and Matt. They're Roadrunners. They're full-timers.
Yeah. How long have you guys been full-time?
7 months.
7 months. All right.
This is our 7th month.
7th month. And this is also like your 7th RV or something, isn't it? Like you've had a lot of RVs.
4.
Or 4, okay.
Our 4th in 5 years.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Changing along socks. All right.
Yep.
All right, so let's just go ahead and start here with the kitchen.
Let's do it.
This feels very familiar.
Yes.
But there are some differences.
Similar to the Reflection 312, you've got a coffee bar here.
Yep.
I think the difference in the 312 is your cabinets were lower or bigger, right? So they came down a little farther.
Yeah, they were definitely a little taller.
Of course, plenty of storage here.
Yep.
Did we have anything? Oh, we did. We did 2 drawers.
There were the one furthest that way locked because it was next to the slide.
That's
Remember?
right.
Yeah, and it was super hard to open.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
And we had a door here that covered
Covered all the
stuff.
controls, yeah.
And you guys keep your water here, but this is where we had our trash can because
We store our trash can under the sink.
Okay, so this island is almost identical to the one that we had. So you have the 2 double-sided sink and just plenty of space.
Yep.
Nice mug, guys.
Oh, thanks. some good friends of ours gave us that.
So under here is just cabinets, right? And we had, I'm going to look at all your dirty stuff. So your trash can is hiding here.
Yep.
We kept ours, like Aaron said, over there where the water was. And then you have a shelf and stuff over there.
Yep.
That's where we kept our pots and pans and Instant Pot. It was all that big, because it basically was a big empty space under there.
Yep.
So over here, the fridge is the same.
Fridge is the same.
It just has a color-matched panel, which is nice.
This is nice. I like all of the
I like how it
soft
looks.
white.
And it's much brighter, too.
Country whiter.
Super bright.
French whiter, whatever they call it. Yes.
All right, let's,
Okay,
we were shown something interesting about this microwave.
Look how big it is.
Massive microwave.
It's huge. Except
for the inside.
it's not. Look at this.
So don't forget to open your microwave before you buy it.
Yeah, that's
So you know what you're
crazy.
getting.
Then the normal propane oven, and I like the knife block
Yes.
back behind it, and that's stock, right? It just has slots back there for knives.
That's great.
That's really cool.
Especially for little fingers.
Yeah, keeps them out of the way.
Yes.
So another I would say this is probably the biggest difference in here. In the 312, we had a countertop that went all the way across, and the TV was mounted on the wall behind it. So that gives you basically an expanded space to work. In here, it's a little tighter, but you got a ton of storage back there, don't you?
Yes, we do.
It's,
And a fancier
so you have all the
Oh, yeah. That's a
Oh,
load
yeah,
of
that's
storage.
a lot more storage.
And then cabinets all across top.
Well, and
too.
we kept like storagey kind of stuff on that countertop. So
Yeah, that's true.
Theirs is just nice and hidden away, where ours was always out.
True. That's pretty much exactly the same behind Matt there. Just some cabinets and drawers. We called it the hutch.
Yep.
I think, right? We kept kids' books and stuff like that in there.
Homeschooling stuff.
Yeah.
I think the reflection actually has 3 drawers up here and
Yeah.
down
3
here.
doors, yeah. That's right, yeah, it was 3.
And we didn't have that much space on the wall.
Open. Yeah, again, the cabinets
Yeah,
came down
lower.
farther. Yep. And then over here, you said recliners were an option.
They were, yeah.
Okay, then you regret not getting them?
Yes.
Yes.
It wasn't an option.
I agree.
Did you guys buy this one off the lot? Or
Yes.
did you order it? Okay, so
Yeah.
you had to
We didn't
get
order
what
it.
you got.
We had it shipped from Illinois.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then the other big difference is their storage instead of a large window
Yeah.
for the second one.
Yeah, so we had 2 huge windows and no storage up above. Yeah, I like the big windows better than the storage.
I
Did
would
you
agree.
just
Yeah.
cover the scones with that frame?
I knew you were going to ask me that. No,
I
it
love
came
that.
like
Came
that.
that way.
I haven't even
Wait, what are you
replaced
talking
the
about?
picture.
Oh, there's a light behind
That's
it.
so neat, though.
Yeah.
This is like a little night light.
So
It is.
There's tied to the dining switch.
Oh, it comes on with it. Okay. Okay.
I just haven't
Oh.
replaced the picture.
So this is how this came. So this is a bench
Yep.
dinette seat, basically. And then this table has a leaf that pulls out. And you had 2 free-floating chairs. And you said it came with 4 chairs?
It did.
Yes.
But you got rid of the other 2.
Yes.
But look inside the table.
Yeah, so lift
Yeah,
that.
so some storage there.
and then
And then
that.
that leaf pulls out. That's pretty nice. So you could easily, well, not easily, you could put 6 people.
Yeah.
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 It'd be a little snug. We're all family.
And then the chairs have.
Yeah, the chairs have those.
Oh, the chairs are
Storage
storage
underneath
too.
there,
Yeah,
yep.
nice.
Isn't that nice?
Okay.
And the ottoman.
And when you're underway, do those strap down or?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a hook system on the bottom.
Oh, I
Gotcha.
can see it. I didn't
Very
see
cool.
that before.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So I know that your son Michael wants to show us the bunkhouse. So let's
Wait,
turn it.
wait.
What did I miss?
They keep the dog food
Dog
like
food.
right there, which
Yeah.
is nice because it doubles as an end table.
Yes. That's what we use it for.
Okay.
I like that.
All right. So let's leave the bunkhouse for Michael,
right.
and we're gonna spin around and do the bathroom.
Okay. Oh, this is like fancy.
It is.
It's so much nicer than ours was. Oh my goodness.
It's a little more snug, like around the toilet area, because it is kind of tucked back.
I don't know. I feel like it's good.
But
I like this.
so you know how that frame out there had the light behind it? Look
Yeah.
behind the medicine cabinet. So Matt was showing me you can turn off the ceiling light. So if you come in like in the middle of the night or
You're just gonna have
it's
this
dark
as a
out,
night light.
yeah, it's kind of a non. Yeah.
It gives me too, like when you look in like the O-ring lights and stuff, and you you look real fancy from when you're doing your selfies and stuff. This is cool. Have Melanie come in and tell you all about all the things that she did to make it look pretty in here.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, Melanie, what'd you do in here?
I just wanted to add a little bit more of a homey feel.
Mm-hmm.
So I put up a shower curtain with just some little hooks like this.
Oh, it's just hanging on.
Yes.
Oh, so it's not a glass door.
No.
Okay, ours had a
It's-
glass door. It's that weird fabric-y.
Yes.
Okay.
And it just kind of, and then
Okay.
for decoration,
I like your decorations.
it's a trick because we don't
trick?
have a bathtub.
Oh, well,
We're just trying to get
Yeah.
quarters for laundry.
Alrighty, and did it come with that backsplash?
Yes, backsplash came with that.
Yep, that's nice. It coordinates. It's really nice. I like it.
Yep.
And then you just have normal storage under there. And then there was
It's
something.
actually really roomy under here. Yes.
Wow.
And then this closet actually shares with our master closet.
Okay. So if that was empty, you'd be able to see all the way through.
Yes.
Huh.
Yeah.
Interesting. Do you like that?
I don't mind it because we have so much storage behind the mirror
Uh-huh.
and underneath here. I don't really need to keep a lot here.
Okay, so you just have
Yeah, I pretty much just tuck my extras in there for travel.
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay.
This looks familiar-ish.
First though,
Yeah,
this is a king size
it
bed.
is.
Yes, it is.
Because my butt hits the wall.
Honey,
It didn't do that.
I think it did in the other one
No,
too.
it didn't.
No? Okay.
I prefer a queen.
Yes,
I would
but
prefer a queen because we'd have more room.
Yeah, that's right. I was standing over there talking to Matt earlier, and I kind of barely fit over there.
yeah, where
Yeah.
there was enough space. I could stand here and get dressed.
Yeah, yeah.
So
and you
yeah,
also
that's definitely.
So you're not really lacking nightstands though.
No, our nightstands go all the way back.
Yeah,
That would have been nice.
Let me sneak in here. Yeah, so it goes all the way back, and there's the blue lights and a light switch for the reading light on both sides.
Yes.
So ours, these were definitely lower because we had big bins up in ours, and there
we
was
had
a shelf.
that ran across that knocked some heads.
But it was a really good place for glasses and tablets and stuff
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Because we did not have those nightstands because our closets came all the way down.
All the way down.
And we had like a little ledge.
Yes, these are really, really nice. They fit his CPAP perfectly.
Yeah.
Yep.
You know, our tablets charge perfectly.
So you guys have the second AC. We just had a
Yes.
vent. You also have a 12-volt drop, which is interesting. Ours didn't have that. There is a TV backer. We had a TV in ours. I think the King comes a little further. I feel like this is skinnier too.
Well,
So-
the King is
Yeah.
bigger, I think.
Yeah.
Well, no, because the wood is right here
Oh.
for when you lift it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had a little bit more room in there.
I think the bathroom is encroaching more this way. Washer dryer prep.
Yes.
But you don't have one.
Right.
The combo unit. Did ours have 2 doors? No, it was one.
Oh,
No, it
we
went-
have two
it
doors.
was 2.
Yes,
It was
yes,
2, and
yes.
they went all the way up to the ceiling.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so this one's a little different. So you have the bar up there.
So this didn't come with the bar. We had
Oh.
another shelf all the way up here. And I had,
Shelf all the way
yeah,
up
you
there?
can kind of see where Matt took it out on the side there.
Okay.
And I had him take it out because I'd rather have a bar. So he installed the bar. And I also, we put one of those little touch lights in there.
Yeah, I saw that.
So if one of
Nice.
us has to get dressed in the morning and not wake the other one,
Yep.
we just touch the light. We put another one underneath the bed too. So
We
Okay.
put
can
one
see
in
underneath
here. You
there.
put one in here for me,
In the,
so I could
the
see
side cabinets, yeah.
all of my
Yeah.
mess in
Yep.
my closet.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then we had 3 drawers all the way to the floor.
Yeah, we have one really deep one,
Okay.
and of course that's for my clothes.
Yep.
And then just
The
a little skinny
skinnier
one for him.
Yeah, we had 3. I think the bottom one was a little shallower because the hot water was behind there.
Yeah, we've got enough room for baskets and stuff on these shelves in here.
Yep.
So
Okay. And I'm assuming there's storage under here,
yes,
as
We'll
is
keep our Instant Pot.
normal.
yeah,
Oh, your Instant Pot's under the bed?
Yep.
yes, it is.
Okay.
Nice.
I don't think ours would have fit.
No, we wouldn't have. You guys have the same issue we had with this. We took
Yeah.
this balance down because we couldn't open the door all the way.
Well, I'm toying with taking all of them down, but I
Do
like to
it.
use that as an
Do
extra
it.
ledge.
We
Yeah,
did
But I've
use it
heard
as a
nothing
ledge,
but
yeah.
good things
Yeah.
about taking the balance.
Because Brian would put his stuff on there, like
Yeah.
his keys and everything.
Well, so,
but then
but
you
actually,
put
yeah, when I got rid of the valance, because that was my side of the bed.
Yeah.
When we took the valances down, I did
the command.
command like basket things stuck to the wall above there. So
And then you just
I
dropped
kept the
everything in
space. Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. I really like the water crate.
I love just having drinks there where the children could grab them, and
Yeah.
I don't have to get up because in our current rig, Ben and Brooke can't reach anything in the refrigerator because it's up so high.
Yeah, 'cause we have a freezer on the
freezer's
bottom.
underneath
Yeah.
it. So
Yeah, but I like that it's a crate because we're all the time coming in and it's the plastic, and you pull them out and the plastic it's all floppy and
Yeah, that's why I
Yeah.
put the crate together.
Yep, I like
because it just looked kind of sloppy with the
Right.
we might
plastic
need
all
to
the time.
steal.
She just called us
this.
sloppy. Did you hear that?
No.
We might need to steal this or maybe have a half one.
How are we doing the bunkhouse? Your son Michael wanted to show it off, right?
Yes.
Alrighty,
Yes.
let's do that.
All right.
All right, so this is Michael. It's Matt and Melanie's son, and this is his domain. This is his bunkhouse. But before we go in, ours was a little bit different. We had a big sliding door instead of this one. And you guys were saying that part of the issue, you can't get in here if the kitchen is closed.
Correct.
Right.
The kitchen slide. Yeah, because we had the sliding door, that went behind the slide, we could get in there.
Mm-hmm.
So for those like Walmart overnights or whatever, bunkhouse was accessible.
Absolutely.
So, Michael,
Hi.
welcome, or thank you. Thank you for showing us your room. You have a lot of Legos hiding in there, don't you? Let's go see them. I love Legos.
I actually like Legos.
So where do you sleep up in this one?
No, that's where my sister sleeps.
Oh, okay.
This is the bed I sleep in.
All right, so this is very similar to what we had. It's the flip up bunk, right? Yeah, it flips up and snaps in. Does this couch flip out into another bed?
Yes, it does.
Okay, yep. So we had one of those, and we had taken this one out. We had Ben's crib in here for a while, and then put the couch back in towards the end. We did not have storage there.
Let me come around. What are you walking into? You have storage all the way down like a closet.
Yeah,
That's cool.
it was a little shallow, and this is, I believe Legos are hiding in here.
I have different sections.
Oh my goodness.
This right here is my James Bond Aston Martin, my Iron Man and my Space Shuttle, and my Avengers video game sets. The video game.
Very nice.
That's really cool.
All right. So it's got the big deep bed up top here. So this is like the newer versions of the 312. We had the one with the steps that had the drawers that pulled out. And then halfway through our model year, 2018, they switched to kind of a big entertainment center style. So there are drawers here.
That's where I keep my clothes.
Yep. And because the outside kitchen is right on the other side of this. So you have a PS4 down here and a couple other things, and then more storage, a TV. Is there anything behind the TV, or is it just
Cables and stuff.
cables? Yep. Okay.
I keep extra random stuff down there. There's my old cars,
Okay.
my kits, my drone,
Cool.
my Nerf guns and bullets, my video games.
Nice. I
My
like it. And then there's even more storage inside the ladder. Let me get out of the way.
You might need a flashlight to see it.
Oh, it's deep in there.
It is.
And then a lot of your extras are down here in that tub that you have. Kind of like a beanbag chair with
It's for
Grogu.
movies.
Yep.
This window is big like ours.
Yep. Ours was a little pop-out one.
Yeah.
This one slides.
Well,
Halfway.
the exit
And there's an
window's
emergency
here,
exit, yeah.
whereas ours was
Ours
the
was
one
up
that was
there.
up here.
Yeah.
This makes more sense.
It
So you don't have
does.
to climb up into that bed to
Yeah,
escape.
I don't think I would have been able to get out of. I guess that was Brooke's emergency.
Mm-hmm.
But I think Brooke's bed was higher. Was this slide taller?
I feel like it might have been.
Yeah, I feel like she was definitely higher up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's interesting. It's very interesting seeing
The slight differences.
the same floor plan, but there's so many tiny little things that the measurements are different, and yeah, it's neat. It's cool. All right, so that was kind of our rig. It's interesting.
It's
I
very
like
different.
It. Yeah.
It's updated though too, because this is a 2021. I
It
don't know if
is.
you said that.
It is
so-
3 years newer, so you do have things like Bluetooth control, and a couple like you can do the on it. You can do everything from your phone, right?
Yep.
Yeah,
So
that's
cool.
cool. That's nice. I believe Grand Design is doing that too.
I don't
'Cause
know.
I think Ben's rig had a similar system in it. So it's very cool. RVs are great. We love them.
This one has sparkles on it too,
Sparkles.
which I love.
Aaron loves sparkles. All right, so Matt and Melanie, thank you so much for showing us your rig. And thank you, Michael, as well, for showing us your bunkhouse.
Mm-hmm.
No problem.
That's fun. I think he was a little nervous, but I think he did good.
I think so too. Give some love to Michael down in the comments.
Yeah, he did good. He was excited. Like he did good. I like it. Once again, we are on our long summer caravan with our Roadrunners. These guys are some of our Roadrunners. So if you would like to meet us on the road, go to 5togo.com/Roadrunners. Sign up to be a Roadrunner. You can see our entire route.
Yep.
Not just this caravan, but all of our future trips as well. We will be sharing everything. So if we are going to be anywhere near you, or you want to come to where we are, you're welcome to do it. So 5togo.com/Roadrunners, join up, and you can meet people like this. Thanks, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.